Very good morning, my dear students. We are discussing about magnetism and electromagnetism lesson, which is a fifth unit in ninth standard. So, in this lesson, today we are going to discuss about transformer. Transformer is a device used for converting low voltage into high voltage and high voltage into low voltage. Okay, transformer is a device used for converting low voltage into high voltage and high voltage into low voltage. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It consists of primary and secondary coil insulated from each other. The alternating current flowing through the primary coil induces magnetic field in the iron ring. The magnetic field of the iron ring induces a varying EMF in the secondary coil. EMF is nothing but electromotive force. What is that? Electromotive force in the secondary coil. Have you understood the concept of transformer, students? Depending upon the number of turns in the primary coil and secondary coil, we can divide into two. One is step up transformer and another one is step down transformer. Depends upon the number of turns in the primary and the secondary coil, we can divide into step up and step down transformer. Let me discuss about step up transformer first. So which is in the right hand side, step up transformer. Look at the step up transformer clearly, students. The transformer used to change a low alternating voltage to a high alternating voltage. Have you understood, students? So what we are doing in the step up transformer, the transformer used to change a low alternating voltage to a high alternating voltage. Low alternating voltage to a high alternating voltage is called a step up transformer. That is, voltage of the secondary coil is greater than the voltage of the primary coil. In a step up transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil is more than the number of turns in the primary coil. Have you understood, students? So number of turn we can consider as N. So if it is a secondary coil, we can take it as S. And I told you number of turn in the secondary coil is greater than the number of turn in the primary coil. Okay, students? At the same time, voltage of the secondary coil is greater than the voltage of the primary coil in the step up transformer. So let me explain about step down transformer. The transformer used to change a high alternating voltage. Listen carefully, students. High alternating voltage to the low alternating voltage. So the transformer used to change a high alternating voltage to a low alternating voltage is called a step down transformer. So in this case, voltage of the secondary coil, that is voltage of the secondary coil, we can take it as Vs, is less than the voltage of the primary coil. Okay, students? And then in a step down transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil is less than the number of coil in the primary coil. Have you understood, students? That is Ns is less than the Np. I hope you all understood, students. So once again, let me explain about the step down transformer. The transformer used to change a high alternating voltage to a low alternating voltage is called a step down transformer. In this case, voltage of the secondary coil is less than the voltage of the primary coil. In a step down transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coils are less than the number of turns in the primary coil. I hope you are all understood, students. And let me explain about fact about the transformer. A step up transformer increases the voltage but it decreases the current, because both inversely proportional, so that step up transformer voltage, if it is increased, current will be decreases. Okay, so basically there will be a loss of energy in a transformer in the form of heat, sound, etc. Okay students, so basically there will be a loss of energy in a transformer in the form of heat, sound, etc. So look at the picture, students. So I told you already, in the in the transformer, so there will be the production of EMF. So based on the EMF, the bulb in the secondary coil glows. Okay, and then so this is also the same picture which explains about the transformer. And next one, formula based. So the formulae to the transformers are given here. So listen the formula. In this formula we are relating voltage, current and number of turns. Okay students, voltage, current and number of turns. Okay students, VP stands for what is that? Voltage in the primary coil. VS stands for voltage in the secondary coil. IS stands for current in the secondary coil. IP stands for current in the primary coil. And then NP stands for number of turns in the primary coil. NS stands for number of turns in the secondary coil. I hope you are all understood, students. So this is a formula we have. So this is also we can understand easily. Look at here. If NS is more than NP, we have a step up transformer. If NS is less than NP, we have a step down transformer. So this is also we are relating the formula, so which I explained you already, students. And a transformer cannot be used with the direct current, that is DC. DC is that which means direct current. A transformer cannot be used with the direct current source because current in the primary coil is constant. Then there will be no change in the number of magnetic field lines linked with the secondary coil, and hence no EMF will be induced in the secondary coil. So we cannot be used with the with the direct current, students. We can do with the AC only, that is alternating current only. I hope you all understood, students. So what is the main function of the transformer? A transformer is a device used for converting low voltage into high voltage and high voltage into low voltage. I explained you clearly. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction, and we have two types of transformer, depends upon the number of turns we have, which is a step up and step down transformer. I hope you all understood, students. Thank you.